This is a nice Olympiad-based question. In this video, we're going to find the value of x, given that x to the x is equal to 3 to the power of 324. Well, notice something on the left-hand side. The base and the exponents are the same on the left-hand side. So we have to do the same for the right-hand side. So how do we do that? So the left-hand side, we have x to the x. This is equal to 3. Now, I'm going to simplify this by writing 2 times 162. Very good. Now, I'm going to be applying the property of indices that says that when I have a to the power of m times n, this is same as writing a to the power of m or raised to the power of n. I will apply this here. So our expression now becomes x to the x equal to 3 squared or raised to the power of 162. That is it. So this reduces to x to the x equal to, now 3 squared is 9 to the power of 162. Very good. Now we're going to be repeating the same process. So this is x to the x equal to, now this is 9 to the power of 162 is the same as 2 times 81. Good. So we can simplify this by writing it in this form. So this becomes x to the x equal to, so this becomes 9 squared or raised to the 81. So we have x to the x equal to 9 squared is 81 raised to the power of 81. You notice something? The base and the exponents are equal on the left hand side, so is the right hand side. And when we compare, we can gladly see that x is equal to 81. And that is our final answer. Well, if you want more episodes like this, click the video below.